In front of me is TCL 505 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then, before creating a new one, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings in the pop-up and manage all of those options under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're ready, go back and to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour and when you finished, hit OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to change its hour, click on it, set up a different one and hit OK again. Now to adjust all of those settings, you can click on all of those options. Let's start with Add Label at the top. Name your alarm however you want to, and when you finished, hit OK. Then click on Days of the week that you wish to set up. And to exclude some dates, click on this plus next to Pause Alarm. Then pick a date and hit OK. To remove it, click on Remove button right next to it. Now by clicking on this little bell, you can choose Add New under your sounds at the top and click on any song from your device to set it up. If you don't want to do that, you can also pick one of those options, like for example, Summer. Then click on this icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And last but not least, click on this icon next to Google Assistant routine to add it or remove it from it. If you wish to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. To make them visible again, hit it one more time. If you wish to switch on or off your alarm, use blue switcher next to it. To delete it, click on this pin at the bottom left corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!